Hi, I'm Braden. I'm the shop helper around here at the Guild. Today I'm helping Blair out with this 1970s TR6. We just got the motor back from the shop. Full rebuild on that. Starting to put all the parts back together for it to go. Right now we got the new alternator right here, so we got to take all these little bits off, put them back on here. But right now she's a little stuck, so we're just popping that off. And then other than that, then once those are off and on here, we'll be ready to go onto the back onto the motor.
Alright, so we got it sitting down there, not too bad. Like, you can go in a little bit further, but we'll just wait till we get the pulley. We're getting it sandblasted right now, so we'll get ready for paint. That and the fan blades for the alternator. In the meantime, we'll just leave that here, and we'll continue on. Hi, my name is Peter. I work for the Guild. I'm an auto mechanic here, and I'm just working this 1966 Dodge Power Wagon. It came in with just an engine and transmission. We did a lot of modifications just to get it running. We did power steering, intercooler, power brakes on it, and this is the first time starting, maybe after 5 years now, before it came to us. And it runs. Everything's looking good. No leaks so far. So far so good. It is running. We'll have to warm it up and just do some more testing, and we'll see what happens next.
'63 Corvette, 327, 340 horse. The motor was a little bit weak in number 6 cylinder. We are now pulled the motor out to send out to get rebuilt. In discovering pulling parts off, which was like we're right now in the back of the flywheel, we have, for instance, a pilot bearing, which fell out on the ground. And if you look at it, you can see some chunks missing out of the top of it. And then in the center of the hole is oblong. The shaft has been wobbling around, but needless to say, the shaft on the transmission is okay. But obviously you need a pilot bearing. We're going to do a clutch. The clutch has a little bit of wear because it's been moving around on the springs, because the shaft has been sitting wobbling around, and so the springs have now started taking some of the abuse. So while we're doing the motor to get it rebuilt, we might as well do a clutch and get that taken care of. Yeah, instead of that, right now we're still pulling things off and just going step by step and seeing what we come across. Right now, the problem with it, we have discovered, is the rings, because it was low in compression on 1 cylinder. And it looks like it's pretty original, so not a lot of work's been done on this. It's probably just getting tired. It's time to get done. Putting the motor in. Okay, and I'll go down more.
You're kind of stuck here. Hold on, you gotta go back up.
Okay, go ahead.
Ready? Going down.
We're passing, you push in.
Okay. Watch the line there.
Yeah.
Okay, stop.
Yep.
Yep. Just gotta watch it. We gotta watch our grill here at the front.
Watching the grill.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
More. Hang on.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Go ahead. Lower yours down. Okay. So,
By the looks of it.
okay. A little bit.
Okay.
How much?
See how far forward you can get it.
Mine was just hanging on.
How's that?
Yeah.
A little more?
A little more.
Hi, my name is Peter. I work for the Guild. I'm a mechanic here. This truck came in about 12 to 15 years ago, and we did do a motor and transmission on it. That's all the customer wanted. Eventually, came back to us through a different customer, sold it to him, and we're putting it back together. Well, we got the truck running. We're trying the clutch to see, make sure it works. It does go in gear, clutch is disengaging, but we have an issue with going in gear. So we're trying to pinpoint the problem with it. We're doing the brakes as well. It's got electric brakes and they're very, very sensitive. And I'm trying to see why they're so sensitive. And we'll keep on working on that. And the next step will be try to take it on a road test. Please subscribe to this channel and watch the next video, and you'll see the Power Wagon on the road.
Hi, we're going to adjust the wiper arms on a 63 split window vet. A lot of people don't understand or never saw that these are actually adjustable. There's a little screw. You see, I start adjusting and the whole arm will come down and the blades will start to line up the way they should. It'll be nice and parallel across the front of the car. Just one of the few things Corvette did different. Very few cars have this option.
Today is the next day of working on the TR6. We're now got the engine installed and the transmission, but now we have to hook everything up. And that's what we're working on right now. Hooking on the drive shaft, cross member mount on the back of the transmission, which we just got installed. And then we're just kind of tied up the bottom, and then we're going back up front. We've got the engine mounts installed, and then we've got to hook everything up at the top of the engine right now after we get the bottom done. Don't be taking pictures of that now. My heist. My heist.
Good.
I think so. Ready? There we go. Oh, so there we have it running. We're ready to put the rad back in with the help of Brendan and Brandy, and they have already helped by putting everything together as in transmission wise. We are now going to put the shifter back on the transmission, and hopefully we'll have it running later on and you get to see it in the next video.